Good morning, all my dear friends. Today I am here to deliver a lecture on the topic of India-Russia relationship. As we know that India-Russia relationship started in 1971 by signing a contract of treaty name is Peace and Friendship. That year we start our relationship with Russia. And Russia mainly supply energy and defense related equipment to us. Regarding the defense related, first is nuclear submarines and Vikramaditya, Sukhoi and MiG fighter jet, and BrahMos production with Russia, and T-90, T-72 tanks. We develop our relationship with Russia in all three sectors in land, wind, and water. Regarding the energy, India successfully established its own nuclear power station, named is Kuddamkulam, and the ultimate symbol of the civil nuclear cooperation and ensure the clean energy production to secure the India's baseline power needs. And whenever USA applies a sanction on the Russia, we still utilize the Russian oil from the Russia. We're talking about the non-energy imports. First is fertilizer, diamond. Third is pharmaceutical things. And fourth is engineering products. Orbital of the influence, Russia helps to India to train our astronauts and the Gaganyaan mission so that we can successfully accomplish our missions in the space sector. And if we're talking about the trade challenges, the main challenge is delay in the payment due to the USA sanctions on the India of the US dollars and limited diversification of the India. So India joined BRICS, SCO, G20, and United Nations to counter the USA dollar sanctions on India. If we're talking about the challenges, first is China factor. The growing Russia-China alignment is the main factor of the India. Second is USA equation. Russia is a main cause of the India's acceleration strategy. And third is we know payment delay. Fourth is systematic vulnerability. India is highly depending on the Russia oil and the defense related equipments. Last is my conclusion. I conclude that in a changing the global order, India and Russia have to maintain their strong relationship in their all the sectors, and India have to maintain its regional interest and its global stability while pursuing its relationship with Russia. Thank you. Jai Hind.